Hello everyone, Simon here from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video about yen index and yen pairs. So let's get started. Where the heck I am here. I made this chart here. This is yen index 20-minute chart. Right, 20-minute means 20 brick size. Right, so time has nothing to do with these candles. I just give the name according to their brick size. So 20-minute chart. This was it. 1, 2, 3. I said, well, this could be wave 4 and trend line, and these are the levels. And we're already having a reversal candle. This was on Sunday, right? So Friday we closed like this. So I made the chart on Sunday, gave it to my subscribers, and showed them and explained them in the webinar. And it says here clearly, right, what happened. If this goes here, or start to go to the upside, this will send. So what will happen? All yen pairs up, right? So this will send all yen pairs. All means all, because yen is always on the right hand side of each and every single pair, like Aussie yen, Euro yen, Pound yen, CAD yen, Franc yen, right? New yen, all of these pairs. So many. And if that's true, how many trades you will have in your hand, right? 6, 7 good, beautiful trades. So let's see if that happened. What happened to this chart so far? Monday and Tuesday. In 2 days, it is from here to here. Now, one thing that is 20 brick size to say so, a little bit bigger size, and yen has a very profound impact usually on the pairs. When it moves a little bit, pair moves a lot. So this little move creates hundreds of pips, if not, say 70, 80, 100 pip, 150 pip in some pairs, um, depending on the other currency. But all yen pairs should be going up. So let's go take a look one by one. What happened, right? So the first we're gonna see Aussie yen. Did it go up? Aussie yen, Monday and Tuesday, 26th and 27th. Here, Aussie yen 7-minute chart, 26 started from here, straight up, and this 27, it didn't go much up because Aussie started getting weaker as well. So it's ranging here, but see this, it went up. AJ. After that comes EJ. No, CJ, right? Okay, ABC, right? Alphabetically, we're gonna see. CAD yen. What happened to CAD yen? Did it go up? 26 is starting right here. See this white dotted line? That's the daily open line. 26 started here, 27 started here. So you can see what happened. 26 started, beautiful entry, beautiful by the book entries here. I didn't take them, but yeah, it was a beautiful entry for how many pips? And my entry should be here. And it is, let's say 86.50. And right now what we are doing? We are doing 87.50. That's 100 pip from here to here in 2 days. CAD yen. After that comes what? Euro yen, EJ. Let's go take a look. EJ. Beautiful entry, beautiful entry. What is this? This is 26, right? It started here, created an entry, and went up. If you would have taken this one, well, your SL would have been gone here, right? But then you take this one, and boom. And then you say you could have taken this one, all of these beautiful entries. And after EJ comes what? Any JJ, FJ, right? Frank yen, okay. What was that? With up. All right, here. Starting 26 started here, entry here, beautiful entry here. Even just today, if you would have taken this entry here, 118.22, or 18.25, this is 18.80, right? So 25, 30, and 50. So 50, 50, 55 pip, here, and then another maybe like 50 pip here. So that's 100 pip in 2 days. Frank yen, which I don't even like. After the GJ, pound yen, my favorite. Pound yen, what happened to pound yen? Pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. Okay, here. 26 started from here. See that? This is 26, yeah. So that was a long entry, yes. Long entry, right? These are like yellow is mixing up a little bit, timing is not right, but this is a beautiful entry here. And then after that, all these entries, and then this thing is keep going up. Now, this is the one. This is the only one I took because pound was getting strong as well. So between Monday and Tuesday, I came up with 100 pip. This is the entry right there. Buy order. SL move to break even. And after that, it goes all the way. I close the trade early. 100 is enough because I'm tired. So I don't want. Now, after GJ, do we have anything else? Yen pairs? Any more yen pairs? NJ. No DJ. So this is the beauty of catching the index, the direction in the index. Once you do that, but that's it, then you're done. On a 7-minute chart of this baby here, we can see it's 27 here. 26, sorry, 26. And let me just refresh the chart here first to see. Some will not even give you entry. Don't get me wrong. That every single thing is going to give you entry. But you have so many opportunity, and then if you're watching everything, you're going to find a good entry. No problem, right? So this one is not a perfect entry because it hasn't touched the yellow line, but it was. Since I know that the yen index is going to go up and all pair going to go up, but I don't even trade this one. Why would I even bother, right? This one didn't touch the yellow, so it was, this indicates all the way down was an entry, but the only thing is it didn't touch here. This was here, but now the day is, almost done. It's 11:44 a.m. London just closed, right? 44 minutes ago. So the volume is gonna go away, and it's not gonna move. What else? What else? So far, every single yen pair went up. UJ, world's favorite. I don't like it. But everybody else like it, right? Let's see what happens. All right, so this one, where is the 7-minute? Okay, 7-minute chart. Let me just refresh the chart first. Because this one, not only yen was getting weaker, but the USD was also messing around, and then probably this didn't go much higher. Let me see. What happened to this one? All right, it went up, right? Beautiful entry here by the book. Right? Yellow is above the black. This indicates all the way down. Higher low, red turn into blue, and you open a trade here. And this is, by the way, 26, right? So 26 was, was bearish, and then here it becomes bullish. Yellow above the black, and after that, how many pips? This entry would be 107.6. No, let's say that's 108, and we are now doing what? 108.55. So not much, 55 pip so far. Yeah. But some, like I said, some goes much higher, some goes a little less, depending on the other currency. But all in all, every single pair, a yen pair, went up, and it was according to my chart. That's what I said here. Again, see that? I made this chart on Sunday, and that we're going to go up here. I don't know if I posted on the Telegram or not, but anyway, I think I posted it, but I showed in the webinar and explained everybody that this is what it is. This is called like a kind of a running flat wave 4, right? Where this thing is shorter than this, and then just it's running flat. It's just running. It's in the run right, so it just don't budge much to the downside. This just goes up. Anyway, so this is how. And then the only yen I took was I got some a couple of others, not yen pairs but some others, and then one, two, maybe three. That's it. Not yesterday I had 3 trades, but today 2 enough, and that's it. This is the only one I took because this is the one that I in between among yen pairs. This is the only one that I trade the most. After that is just AJ, but once in a while. You will see that EJ, CJ, I don't even bother with those. But what I'm showing here is that similarly, if pound, also, by the way, pound is also going up, right? Pound chart, going up means getting strong. So pound chart I made was this. Look, on Sunday, I made the pound chart, and I said it's going to go up from here to here. right? And then what will happen? Same thing. All pound pair will go up because pound is always on the left hand side, and pound going up means pound is going to get strong, right? And yen is the opposite. Yen going up, yen index going up means yen is getting weaker, and that's why all the pairs, even the the currencies on the left hand side, they went up. But this one, what happened? It wobbled here a little bit and now start to go up. Let's see. And then because of that, all pound pair also went up. I had a GA pound Aussie for 85 or 100 paper. No, not 100, maybe. See this one? So I said, it's going to go up. So it went up. It hit at 66.32, came back again, 65, 68, and then bounced, and then now at this number here. So this is kind of like, harmonic pattern, just an idea that it might do that, right? And then based on that, and then some levels, right? Strong levels that guide you, right? That's another, the one, the GA I had, the trade is, where the heck it is? GA, because of pound, is this. Beautiful by the book entry, right? Nothing can be more beautiful than this. Perfect by the book entry. And here, 60 pip, not much, but yeah, something, right? So 100 there, 60 here. I'm done for the day. Couple of entries are running, and I'm sitting on a break even. So I'm gonna let them run, and if successful in the I still have it, then I'll make the chart, and then if my SL hit before before the evening, before the day finishes, then it's okay. I still have this. One entry got hit like 20. I didn't put 15, 16 pip. That's it. So 15 minus 160. You can see that, if you take this entry, you can see that there was no SL hit. You can't have it. Here, if you make an entry and put your SL here, look at the price. Never came back. Even this one here, the price never came back to hit the SL. All right. So this is how it is. Just wanted to share with you guys, and that's about it. And the day is over for now. For me, it's London close. That's where the volume goes. So after that, it's not very wise to stay in the market. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.